Pomelo is in season in Malaysia. Um, I'm here at Village Supermarket. The pomelo here is so expensive. It costs $20.90 in ringgit. And let me show you if you haven't seen what a pomelo looks like. This pomelo and it's from Tambun Pomelo, Limau Valley. 20 ringgit 90 cents. I was going to buy the pomelo and to show you how to peel the pomelo, but this is very expensive, so I'm just going to leave this. I'll see if I can buy the pomelo outside my place along the street stall. So I've got the pomelo from the street stalls. This is the store that I always buy from, just behind me, and a small one. So I'm just going to get this. I'm going to show you how to peel the pomelo, and also show you, what I did with the pomelo salad. Cô ơi. Chập kho. Chỉ kia nó sẽ cô lưới hả? Chỉ kia nó chập gì? Lưới sẽ tuột lốt lại. Tăm bún không xì tăm bún rồi. Ipo à? Tăm bún rồi. Okay lah. So I've got my pomelo for 10 ringgit. This it sells it at 12 ringgit a kilo. So this is a small one, it's 10 ringgit. At the supermarket, it was 21 ringgit. Pomelo is in season in Malaysia. I got this down the road. It costs 11 ringgit per kilogram. This is 10 ringgit, which is roughly $3.50 in Australian dollars. Now, pomelo is the largest citrus fruit in the world. This is similar to grapefruit. It's actually the ancestor of grapefruit. I'm not really a big fan of grapefruit because I don't like the tardiness and the sourness and the bitterness of a grapefruit. Pomelo tastes a little bit different from grapefruit. Pomelo is a little bit sweeter, it's less tardy, and it's not bitter. So let me show you how to peel the pomelo. And then I'm going to use the pomelo to make pomelo salad. Now there are a couple of ways to peel pomelo. But before I peel it, I need to give it a nice wash. Now I've just washed the pomelo, it needs to be clean. And then I'm going to peel it. Now this is nice and clean, wash all the dirt. Now I'm going to cut the pomelo. There are two ways of slicing the skin of the pomelo. Now, the one that I have seen when I was young and how my parents used to do is to use the knife and slice it in the middle, slice it all around, and then just pry it open. The boy down the road, he told me how to peel the skin, and he asked me to slice the top off and then slice the skin in sections and then peel section by section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to cut off the top bit. So you can see the skin is really thick. So next I'm going to slice it in the middle. So that's one half, and this half I'm going to cut it this way horizontally so I can pry it open. So the way I've seen in the past when I was young, how my parents did it is they slice it horizontally all the way around and then they just peel it wide open. I'm just doing half because I want to show the other method, which is to slice it this way. So I'm going to slice the other one this way. I'm going to slice it into 3 sections. So this one here. I hope this is going to work. I haven't done this before to try and do it in both ways. Okay, the first one, I'm gonna try and peel it open. Now, so there you go. This is one, and the other one I'm gonna peel it. So you can see the skin is really thick. The other one, this is the other half, which I slice it this way. I'm just going to try and pry open. Ooh. There you go. So now as you can see, there's still a lot of work to be done, and I need to peel this skin off with a knife. Pomelo is the king of citrus fruit. It's the largest citrus fruit in the world. I've peeled as much of the skin off, and you can almost see the flesh of the pomelo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to cut it through, and then I'm going to break it open. Now I haven't done it for a while. Okay, I'm going to try, can have a look. Now I have to peel it section by sections to get the flesh. Then I have to remove the skin off, the whole skin. Make sure it's nice and clean. See? I'm gonna use this to make the salad. It's not as juicy as I thought. Maybe this is not a very good one. So probably that's the reason why it only cost 11 ringgit. But it's all right. I'm just gonna make it into a salad. It's actually very good for you. It's packed with lots of vitamin C because it's a citrus fruit. That's my pomelo, which I'm going to use some of it to make pomelo salad. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.